Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to switch from one of these sprinklers that usually sits like this to a bigger one like this. These ones actually like sit in the ground and then the top pops up and then pops back down after it's done. I'm switching from these because my lawnmower just keeps killing them, and I'm thinking maybe if I use this one with the retractable top it might work better. So first what you're going to need is a new one of these. These are like 60 cents at Home Depot. A new sprinkler like this. You can get them in different lengths, you know, for like, you know, how far down they go in the ground. I wish I would have bought a smaller one, but all I saw was these ones. First I'm gonna get this out. You could get a tool like this and put it in the top and untwist it to pull it out. You could always grab it with like pliers or just your hands and unscrew it as well. It just unscrews. Okay, so there's that. Since both this new one and the ground one is both female size, I'm gonna need to put a male in here. You can get one of these. These you can cut to any length you want. You could cut them with like a little saw, maybe some scissors if you have good scissors. There's actually a tool. It's like 10 bucks. You can get this. It cuts them real nice. Try to disappear on me, just like my dad. All right, I got it. Let's go ahead and put this small piece in here, and then the other side will screw into there. You could make this whatever length you need to make this level with the grass. I'm trying to make it a little lower just so the lawnmower doesn't hit it. There we go. And this is called 1/2 inch, I believe. 1/2 inch little plastic pipe. So now that I got that in the end, I can go ahead and screw this in here. Try to make it so there's no dirt in there when you screw this on, or else it'll just get clogged. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in now. Tighten it down. You don't want to do it mega tight to where it breaks, but you definitely want it pretty snug. There we go. It's pretty snug, and that's it. You know, turn your sprinklers on to test it, and then you can put your grass and dirt back in it. Try to keep this area clean. They even sell, I haven't seen them lately, but they sell like these little green plates that go around the sprinkler to prevent grass from growing over it and blocking it. I haven't seen them lately, but I'm pretty sure they're still out there. But that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you out.